Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to share something that I think will resonate with anyone who's been trying to make money online, especially if you're into food, cooking, or anything culinary. I came across this product called Cooking Video Library with Unrestricted PLR. And let me tell you, it's a game changer if you're serious about building an online business in the food niche. So, if you're like me, you probably already know how popular food content is online. Think about it. Cooking videos are everywhere, and there's a good reason for that. People love watching them. In fact, 60% of social media users just can't resist watching a good cooking video. That's a huge market that's just waiting to be tapped into. Whether it's people looking for new recipes, cooking tips, or even just watching for pure entertainment, the food and cooking niche is massive, and it's not going anywhere. Now, we all know how hard it can be to constantly come up with fresh, high-quality content. Whether you're running a food blog, a YouTube channel, or just trying to grow your social media following, keeping your audience engaged takes time, effort, and creativity. That's where the Cooking Video Library with Unrestricted PLR comes in. This product is packed with everything you need to fuel your content creation. And I'm talking about done-for-you content that you can rebrand and sell as your own. Let me break down what's inside this library because it's seriously impressive. You get 200 HD cooking videos, and these aren't just your average amateur videos. These are professional-grade visuals that will make your content stand out and get your audience drooling. Think about how much time it would take to create 200 videos yourself, shooting, editing, and everything in between. With this library, you have them ready to go. And that's just the start. You also get 50 healthy recipe ebooks. Now, more than ever, people are really focused on eating healthier, so this is right on trend. These ebooks are a fantastic resource for those of you who want to offer something extra to your audience. Whether you're running a blog, starting an email list, or even thinking about selling your own digital products, these ebooks are gold. You can easily brand them as your own and start promoting them. But wait, there's more. You also get 800 in-depth cooking articles. That's enough content to keep your blog or social media channels buzzing for months, maybe even a whole year. These articles are well-researched, informative, and will give you the authority you need to build trust with your audience. You can use them to create blog posts, newsletters, or even social media captions. The possibilities are endless. What I love about this package is how versatile it is. You're not just limited to using the content as is. You can mix and match, repurpose it, or even bundle it into new products. For example, you could take a few videos, pair them with a couple of ebooks, and create your own online cooking course. You could offer private cooking lessons, either live or pre-recorded, and use the videos as part of your tutorial material. It's a great way to create passive income while offering real value to your audience. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Everything in this package comes with Unrestricted PLR, which means you have the rights to rebrand, edit, and sell these videos, ebooks, and articles as your own. And you get to keep 100% of the profits. Think about it. Whether you sell digital products on your own website, through social media, or even on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, this gives you a massive advantage. You don't have to spend time creating the content from scratch, and you can sell it over and over again. This is actually what a lot of successful online marketers are doing. They're not just creating their own digital products. They're buying high-quality PLR content, rebranding it, and selling it as their own. It's a tried-and-true business model that works, especially if you know how to position yourself in the market. And with cooking content being so popular, you really can't go wrong. I think this product is perfect for anyone who wants to take their content creation to the next level, whether you're a seasoned blogger or just getting started. The combination of high-quality videos, ebooks, and articles means you'll have a steady stream of content that's ready to go whenever you need it. And the best part? The Unrestricted PLR lets you do whatever you want with it. The only thing I'd say is that this is a dime sale. which means the price will keep going up as more people buy it. So, if you're serious about your online business and you don't want to miss out, I'd recommend grabbing it sooner rather than later. That's it from me for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.